How to play PUBG on PC for free. If you don't have a high-end system or you don't want to splurge the 999 rupees free for PUBG, you can download PUBG Lite, which is a free version of the game for Windows. It comes with scaled-down graphics which makes it easier to run on computers or laptops with low-end specifications. To download it on your PC, follow these steps. Go to the PUBG Lite website, click on the yellow download button under PUBG Lite for PC. On the next page, once again click on the yellow download button to go ahead. After the PUBG Lite setup is downloaded, open it and log into your PUBG account by entering your credentials. In case you don't have a PUBG account, be sure to create one. After you have logged in, click on the install button. This will install the game on your computer's local storage. That's all. You can now play PUBG on your computer, that too without paying a dime.